Our topic today says words and meaning, Igbo English. The first word here is bia, or say bia. Bia means come in English. Bia, come. Biara, meaning came. Biara, came. Biara is the past tense of bia in Igbo. Now let us put them into sentence making. Number 3 says, Anam abia, meaning I am coming. Anam abia, I am coming. Here, me means I. Me means I in English. Abia means coming. Anam abia, I am coming. Nga abia, I will come. Nga abia, I will come. Remember that we said that me means I in English. Now, ga means will. Will. Ga is an auxiliary verb that shows future tense. Abia means come, meaning nga abia, I will come. Remember, here we have our hyphen showing that this is auxiliary verb and this is the main verb. That is why we have this hyphen here, meaning nga abia, I will come. Ha biara ebe ahụ. Class say it. Ha biara ebe ahụ, meaning they came there. Ha biara ebe ahụ, they came there. Ha means they in English. Biara means came. Ebe ahụ means there in English, meaning ha biara ebe ahụ, meaning they came there. Kedu mgbe ọ ga-abịa, meaning when will he or she come. Remember, ọ is a pronoun in Igbo that represents both he, she and it. When you hear kedu mgbe ọ ga-abịa, meaning it's either he or she that is coming. So ọ is nọchiaha in Igbo language, pronoun. So ọ can be he or she, as you can see it here. Number 7 says dash in Igbo. In English it means don't ask me. Don't ask me. Don't ask me. Maybe someone asks you a question. You say don't ask me. Or he or she wants to ask you a question. You say don't ask me. Don't ask me. Don't ask me. Don't ask me. So write don't ask me in Igbo language. On number 7. Always share my videos for others to see and follow us for more.